DADDYGVILLE'S world.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove pinstripe using a heat gun. As you see, I removed my tail light because the pinstripe was going behind it. Now I only do 4 to 6 inches to make sure that whole section gets the proper amount of heat so I can start pulling it off. Once it's warm and tacky to the touch, go ahead and start pulling it, but go real slow. Also, pull as close to the body as you can and use heat when necessary. Alright, here's a close-up view I'm showing you. I'm pulling as close as the body as I can until it gets tough, and then that's when I'll apply the heat gun again. Now remember, this pinstripe is 23 years old. It is a long and tedious process. As you see, it did break, so I've got to peel up another edge and just keep pulling at it because there's a lot of breaks and cuts and everything else in it. Now just keep adding heat to it, keep pulling at it until your bed or door or whatever it is you're trying to get the pinstripe off of, and then you can use a buffer or some like Goo Gone or whatever you want to use that is not abrasive. Now me, I don't care. I'm redoing the paint on this, so I'm just going to sand the whole side of it. So I also use the same process to remove all the side moldings and the Z71 off-road stickers. Alrighty, thank you for watching and hope this helps you. See you in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
Getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.